Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is raw banana fry. For this we need 3 raw bananas of this size. Peel the skin lightly and cut the raw bananas. To marinate we need 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, salt and 5 to 6 teaspoons oil for frying. Add all the ingredients to marinate the raw banana. Salt. Let's marinate this for 15 to 20 minutes. I marinated for 20 minutes. Let's fry them now. Oil. Let's fry this for 2 minutes on medium heat. After 2 minutes, fry the other side. Raw banana fry is ready. Very easy and tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.